Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be exploring empty houses that are still in process of construction. So yeah, let's get into it. Oh no. Stop. Oh my god, I forgot about this. Look at the water. Wait, wasn't there a railing? Oh yeah. No, but it was wood. They're probably gonna replace it with some other material. Oh god, Cam's calling me. Why am I so shaky? I actually don't know. This is crazy. I need water in this house. Even the bathtub is Bro, who's feeling that? You think the power works? We should bring a drone person. Alright. Let's get going out of here and explore the other two houses. Yeah, no. I saw the dust. Last night. I'm screenshotting that was like watch that video because I saw the dust rise up and it got me doing. What is this? What the fuck? What? The hell? This is like oh, what is this? Is it the closet? Yes. Imagine this is the bedroom. Okay, what the fuck is this? Another closet. Another closet. This one hot on the tornado. Oh, this is crazy. Oh, no, the bathroom. Oh, the bathroom's over there. Oh my god. Okay, let's go explore the other houses. We should come back at night. We'll probably at least get the garage. Wait, but no, the garage was this way. Wait, no, the front door was this way. Wait, no, I should really do it. Wait, this is too. I'm gonna get this cold. So, I think we're going in the first house. Which house are we going in? I think we're gonna go in the first house because it has a pool. Whoa, now that it's daytime, you can actually see the interior. Was it a fan? Was it a fan? If there's a van, then we're fucked. If it's a van, then that's for people that we can. Okay, y'all, that's the end of the video. Like and subscribe if you made it this far. And yeah, this is the dude that was included in it. Say hi. Hi. Okay, I thought you weren't gonna say hi.
My mom said I'm gonna get cold for Christmas.
Oh. Okay, anyway.